It's nice outside, man. Where y'all at, man? Clean the cars and pull up, man. Yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? It's nice outside, I'm trying to find something to do, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? You can catch me at the car wash, chillin' with my crew, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? It's nice outside, I'm trying to find something to do, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? You can catch me at the car wash, chillin' with my crew. So cleaning her up, rinse her off real quick, take her to Cars and Coffee, Central Florida, June 1st. Got the beam in the back. Got an ugly duckling right here. The drift car got Daily Schmaley over there. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of clips. Let me get this as a thumbnail. Yeah.
Bumps and bruises, lumps and land cruisers. Big Papa smash fools, badge fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 block guys. Any motherfucker whispering the
I got you.
You gotta support. I got mine. I got mine. I've only done 3,000 miles since getting it. No, RS.
money. Big money. Big money. Already out here. Lamb truck. Green. S10. Look at that motherfucking G-Wagon, man. The G-Wagon, man. Stop flying. You know what I mean? Yeah. Lexi. Lexi getting the load. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget Lexi. Can't show everybody else and don't show the Lexi. Got the Porsche truck out this way. That just sounds serious. Who the people? Lexi still getting love. Either love or like genuine concern. Love or genuine concern. What is that? I'm gonna come early next time. Grab it. Destroyed, bro. Z's kill. He didn't care. He didn't give a damn about that. He wanted to get his picture out. I didn't care.
I see your videos. I like your
Bless
videos,
up, brother. Bless up.
The price at 300. The black one.
So yeah, thanks y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed a little bit of content, you feel me? Trying to be more active on the tube, you see me? So this is me coming outside intentionally, trying to make sure, you know, I get some content for y'all. So blessings and a lot more to come soon. Peace.